Welcome to our tutorial on how to search for a contact name in WhatsApp on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to quickly find a specific contact in WhatsApp. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the WhatsApp application on your PC by launching it from your desktop or taskbar. Step 2. Look for the New Chat option, usually located at the top of the WhatsApp interface. Click on it. Step 3. Once you click on New Chat, you will see a search bar. Click on the search bar to activate it. Step 4. Enter the name of the contact you are searching for in the search bar. As you type, WhatsApp will automatically filter and display the relevant contacts matching your search query. By following these simple steps, you can easily search for a contact name in WhatsApp on your PC. This feature helps you find and connect with your desired contacts quickly and efficiently. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Enjoy seamless communication on WhatsApp.